everybody. It's Winston1984 on YouTube.com. Want to show my love and my concerns to the contributor of 9/11. It's been 9 years since 9/11 hit. It hit at the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and almost was going to attack the White House. So this is for a tribute video for all the people who risked their lives or, sadly was caught in a tragic moment. Police department, fire department, ambulance, paramedics. I'm just want to make this video just to let everybody know that, I'm showing my love and my condolences because I understand, okay, for each year I never made one, but next year is going to be the definitely 10-year anniversary. So I want to be one of the few people, hopefully, to make this video because I might have other people want to make a YouTube video under my subscription or they have a friends on my list. So this is my showing my love and my concern for all the people who risked their lives or their lives ended shortly in that tragedy, or the people who still suffering the illness or whatever the construction site or the smoke or the fumes that really causing them to be extremely sick. But this I'm making a short video. I didn't forget about anybody who risked their lives or end up suffering with a serious illness or passed away a couple of years ago because of the symptoms that even got worse. So this is my video. So I'm hoping everybody to sit back and relax and take a look back to this tribute, just to keep their spirits up. So I'm gonna give you a holler back later and see what you think about this video. So I'll talk about y'all later.